a equal to 2, d equal to 8, Sn equal to 90, find n and an. So let's write down. We have a, that the first term is 2, and we have d equal to 8, and they said Sn equal to 90. Now Sn equal to n by 2, this is the formula, 2a plus n minus 1d. Now Sn is 90, that is given to us. The number of terms n is not given, n over 2. The first term 2 here is 2, n minus 1, the d is given as 8, and I will go ahead and solve this. So we have now here 90 equal to n by 2. 2 into 2 is 4, plus, we open the bracket, so we have 8n minus 8. We have 90 equal to n by 2. 4 minus 8 is minus 4 plus 8n. We cross multiply. We'll take 90 into 2 equal to n minus 4 plus 8n. Open the bracket. 180 equal to minus 4n plus 8n square. So this is a quadratic. Now from this quadratic we see we can take 4 common out. So what remains here is 2n square minus n minus 45 equals 0. So we ignore the 4 because it's taken common out. So 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0. We do two middle term split. We know the product in this case should be 2 into minus 45, and the sum should be minus 1. And if you work this out, your factors will be minus 10 plus 9. So we'll put them out. 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equals 0. From these two terms you will take 2n common out, so what remains n minus 5, and from these two terms we'll take 9 common out, n minus 5 equals 0. So we have n minus 5 in one bracket and 2n plus 9 equal to 0 in the other bracket. So n minus 5 equal to 0, or 2n plus 9 equal to 0. So n minus 5 equal to 0, n equal to 5, and here we'll get n equal to minus 9 by 2. Now we know n can never be negative or a fraction, so we ignore this. So the answer here is n equal to 5. We're not done with the sum, so n equal to 5 means it has got 5 terms. We had to find an also. So an is a plus n minus 1d, and we know that our value of a was 2, your n we know is 5 minus 1, your d is 8. So my fifth term will be 2 plus 4 into 8. So the fifth term 2 plus 32, and that is 34 is the fifth term. A equal to 8, an equal to 62, Sn equal to 210, find n and d. We start with this formula of Sn, which is equal to n by 2 first term plus the last term. We could also write it Sn equal to n by 2 a plus an, which is the last term. Let's put the values that we know. Sn was given to us as 210. Here it is 210. The n we don't know, that's our question. The first term is given as 8, and the last term here an is given as 62. So 210 equal to n by 2 into 70. So 210 over 70 equal to n by 2. So we get 20 over 7 equal to n by 2. And you get your n equal to 21 over 7. into 2. So n equal to 6. So we got there are 6 terms in this AP. Now here the second part, we start with an equal to 62, which is given to us here. Have you seen? An equal to 62. So an formula is a plus n minus 1d equal to 62. Let's put the values. A is 8. Your n we know we found is 6 minus 1. D we do not know, 62. So 8 plus 5d equal to 62. 5d equal to 62 minus 8. 5d equal to 54. So d equal to 54 by 5. We start with an equal to 4. So we have an equal to 4, and an you know is a plus n minus 1d equal to 4. Let's put in the values that we know. The a we don't know, n also we don't know, but we know d is equal to 2, equal to 4. So a plus 2n minus 2 equal to 4. So here we have a plus 2n equal to 4 plus 2, a plus 2n equal to 6. And now a equal to 6 minus 2n. We will use this value later. We need this value, equation 1. Let's get on with the next information given to us, that Sn equal to minus 14. So Sn equal to minus 14. Now Sn we know is n by 2, first term plus the last term, right, an. Or you can write L, minus 14. Let's put the values. Now n by 2, a we know is 4. No, a we don't know, so we put a as a. N we know is 4. Here it's given an is 4 equal to minus 14. So n by 2. Now for this value of a here, I'm going to put 6 minus 2n. So here I will put 6 minus 2n because that is the value of a, plus 4 equal to minus 14. So n by 2, here we'll have 10 minus 2n equal to minus 14. So n 10 minus 2n equal to minus 14 into 2. Open the bracket, 10n minus 2n square equal to minus 28. So this is what we have. Now we'll take everything on one side. So we'll write 0 equal to the minus 2n square on the other side becomes plus 2n square. The plus 10 becomes minus 10n, and this minus 28. Now 0 equal to, we take 2 common out. What remains here is n square minus 5n minus 14. We ignore the 2, so 0 equal to n square minus 5n minus 14. Middle term split, n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14. You know the product should be here. In this case, product should be minus 14 and the sum is be minus 5. So 0 equal to n common out, n minus 7 plus 2 common out, n minus 7. So 0 equal to, here we have n minus 7, n plus 2. So n minus 7 equal to 0 or n plus 2 equal to 0. So n equal to 7 or n equal to minus 2. Now we know n is the first term, second term. We don't have like term equal to minus 2. So n can never be negative. So we ignore this. So we are only left with n equal to 7. So the number of terms in this case is 7. Second part of the sum was to find a. So we know that a was, by equation 1, a was 6 minus 2n. So a equal to 6 minus 2. We saw the n was 7. So your a will be 6 minus 14. And your a will be minus 8. L equal to 28, S equal to 144. There are 9 terms. Find a. So we are Sn, formula n by 2, first term plus last term. In this case, the last term I'll write as L. You can write an also. Let's put the values that we know. We know Sn is given as 144. The number of terms is given as 9. A we do not know, but the last term is 28. Now here 144, I take the 9 by 2 on the other side, it becomes 2 by 9, equal to 9 plus 28. And on solving this, so here I'll have 16 into 2 equal to a plus 28. So 32 equal to a plus 28. 32 minus 28 equal to a, and a equal to 4. How many terms of an AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? Means here they're trying to ask you, if you have 9 plus 70 plus 25 plus how many terms will you take? When you add up, you'll get 636. So we see the A, the first term is 9. The common difference will be 17 minus 9, and that is 8. And your 636 will be your Sn. So Sn will be 636. So we have Sn, formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. We put the value. Sn is 636, n we don't know. 2a is our first term, which is 9. N we don't know. The d we saw was 8. And now we go ahead and solve this. So 636 equal to n by 2, that is 18. 8n minus 8. So we'll have here 636 equal to n by 2. 18 minus 8 is 10 plus 8n. So 636 equal to n by 2. I will take 2 common out. So if I take 2 common out, from the 10, 5 will remain, and from the 8n, 4n will remain. And these 2 will cancel out. So what remains now is 636 equal to n, 5 plus 4n. So 636 equal to 5n plus 4n square. I've taken the n inside the bracket. So 0 equal to, I'll just rearrange this, 4n square plus 5n minus 636. Now I do a middle term split. So the product you see should be 4 into minus 636, and your sum should be plus 5n. You will find your factors to be 48 and 53. If you subtract 48 and 53, you get 5, and when you multiply, you get 4 into minus 636. So we write 0 equal to 4n square, here minus 48n plus 53n minus 636. So 0 equal to, I'll take 4 common out here. So I have n common out, n minus 12, and here plus 53 common out. What remains is n minus 12. So 0 equal to n minus 12, one bracket, at the bracket 4n plus 53. So n minus 12 equal to 0, n equal to 12, or 4n plus 53 equal to 0, n equal to minus 53 by 4. However, we ignore the negative sign. N can never be negative. We ignore the negative sign and we say n equal to 12. So to get a total of 636, you have to take 12 terms. So A1, A2, right up to 12 terms. You add up all this and you get the total 636. Let's get back to this. So this was our first term, second term, third term. You have to add up till the 12th term to get the total 636. The first term of an AP is 5 and the last term is 45, which means the first term is 5, A equal to 5, last term is 45. So AN or L equal to 45. And the sum is 400, which means sum of all the terms is Sn is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. Number of terms means we need to find n and the common difference d. So we start with the formula Sn equal to n by 2 first term plus last term. So we put the values. So we have Sn is 400, n by 2 first term 5, last term 45. So we have 400 equal to n by 2 into 50. So we have 400 equal to this 50 and 2 will cancel. So we get 25n, and your n now will be 400 over 25. So n is 16. So there are 16 terms in this AP. Now it was told to us that an is 45 and we know that n is 16. There are 16 terms. That means A16 must be 45. A16 will be A plus n minus 1, 15d equal to 45. Now put the values. Your A is 5, 15, the d we need to find out, and equal to 45. So 15d equal to 45 minus 5, and we have 15d equal to 40. So d equal to 40 by 15, and that would be 8 by 3. The first and the last term of an AP is 17 and 350. Which means now first term is 17. So A equal to 17. Last term is 350. So AN equal to 350 respectively. If the common difference is D, so D equal to 9. How many terms are there? So number of terms, N. How many terms? And what is the sum? So Sn. So we start with AN. We know it's given to us that AN is 350 and we know the formula for AN is A plus n minus 1 d equal to 350. Put your values. Your A is 17, n minus 1, the d we know is 9, here it's given equal to 350, and now you need to solve this. So here you'll solve n minus 1, 9. The 17 I will take on the other side, and you'll have 350 minus 17. So n minus 1, 9. 350 minus 17 is 333. So n minus 9 equal to 333 over 9. N minus 9 is 37. So n will be 38. Means in this AP there are 38 terms, and it was given to us the first term is 17, that is A1, and there are a whole lot of terms here, and this was the AN, which was 350. Now we found out that n is 38. That means here the last term is A30 8. There are 38 terms in this AP. We have to find now Sn. This is our question to find Sn. We know there are 38 terms, so we need to find S38. For this, we'll use the formula Sn equal to n by 2 first term plus last term. Now we need to find our Sn. We know there are 38 terms, n equal to 38 we found out, so this is 38 over 2. We saw the first term was 17 given to us, the last term was 350, it's given in the question very clearly, 350. So my Sn will be 19 here, 17 plus 350 plus 367. So your S38 equal to 19 into, here's a mistake, this was no 17, I had to put here 367. So we have 19 into 367 and the answer is 6973. That is sum of 38 terms. Okay, when you add up all these terms up, 38 terms, you'll get 6973. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is 7 and the 22nd term is 149. So here they are saying the sum of 22 terms. So you have to find S22 is the question. Sum of 22 terms where D is 7. So D is 7 and the 22nd term is 149. That means A22 equal to 149. We are going to start the sum with this, that the 22nd term is 149. Now the 22nd term you know is A plus n minus 1d, that is 21d equal to 149. We put the values that we know. We don't know A. 21, we know D as 7 equal to 149. So A plus this becomes 147 equal to 149 and your A will be 149 minus 147. So A equal to 2. The next part of the sum says we need to find the sum of 22 terms. So we need to find S22. S22 is n by 2 first plus the last term. Now this is S22. So your n is 22 over 2. Your first term we just found now as 2 and your an is the last term and they gave it to us. The last term, the 22 term, they gave us 149. So I put 149. So S22 is 11 into 151. And on multiplying this, we get 1,161.